Listen up, because while everyone is panicking about AI taking jobs, a small group of independent operators is quietly billing $500 an hour for AI work. No degree required, no agency, no fancy office. I'm about to walk you through exactly how they do it, what they sell, who they sell to, and how you can copy this playbook starting this week. Let's anchor this in real numbers, because vague hype helps nobody. According to the 2026 Groovy Web AI Consulting Rates Report, senior independent AI consultants in North America are billing $150 to $500 an hour. Nicola Lazzari's recent U.S. pricing study has top 1% independents charging up to $7,000 a day. Digital Agency Network's 2026 retainer benchmark puts AI consulting retainers at $5,000 to $25,000 a month. Agix Technologies pegs the average mid-market AI agent build at $45,000 to $120,000 per project, with maintenance retainers running 15 to 20% of build cost per year. This is not a fantasy. This market is real. It is growing 20% a year, and the supply of qualified operators is almost zero. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a daily AI update. Now here is the part nobody tells you. The $500 an hour AI freelancer is not a coding genius. They are a positioning genius. They have figured out 4 levers that 90% of freelancers ignore, and you can copy every single one of them. Let me break them down. Lever number 1. Niche down to one industry, not one technology. The premium rate freelancers don't sell themselves as AI consultants. They sell as the AI workflow expert for dental practices, or the AI agent specialist for accounting firms, or the AI co-pilot architect for law firms. ZS Associates dominates pharma. Neurons Lab owns financial services agentic AI. Fractal owns consumer goods analytics. The pattern is identical at every tier. The narrower the vertical, the higher the rate. A generalist AI prompt engineer charges $60 an hour on Upwork. A specialist who only builds intake automation for personal injury law firms charges $350 an hour and has a 6-month waitlist. Same skill stack, different positioning. Lever number 2. Sell outcomes priced as packages, not hours. Top operators almost never quote hourly. They quote a fixed package. A 3-week AI workflow audit for an SMB sells for $15,000 to $30,000. A done-for-you AI agent build sells for $45,000 to $120,000. A monthly AI ops retainer sells for $3,000 to $15,000 a month. The math works out to $300 to $700 an hour effective, but the client never sees an hourly rate. They see a deliverable, a timeline, and an outcome.
Drop a comment below. How are you using AI to make money right now? Lever number 3. Lead with a paid AI audit. This is the single biggest unlock most freelancers miss. Instead of pitching cold, you sell a $4,000 to $6,000 AI audit as a tripwire. 2 weeks. You map every workflow in the business. You identify the top 5 AI automation opportunities. You quantify the dollar impact, and you hand over a slide deck and a written report. That report converts into the bigger build engagement at a 60 to 70% rate because they are now bought in on the diagnosis. Big 4 firms have run this playbook for decades. You can run it on Loom, Notion, and a Stripe checkout link. Lever number 4. Distribute on LinkedIn and direct outreach, not Upwork. The $500 an hour crowd does not exist on freelance marketplaces. They get clients from 3 places. 1. LinkedIn posts that publicly diagnose a problem in their target vertical. 2. Cold direct messages to operations leaders at companies in their niche, offering a free 15-minute AI roadmap call. 3. Referrals from past clients which they actively engineer with a written referral incentive. The Upwork median for AI work is $35 to $60 an hour. Direct source clients pay 6 to 10 times that. The platform you choose is the price ceiling you accept. Here is the actual playbook for this week, step by step. Day 1, pick one industry you have any experience in or strong curiosity about. Write down 10 specific business types within it. Day 2, pick the top 3 repetitive workflows that exist in those businesses. Customer intake, appointment scheduling, invoice processing, lead qualification, whatever bleeds time. Day 3, Build one demo using a no-code stack like Zapier, Make, or N8N connected to OpenAI or Claude. The demo solves one of those workflows end-to-end. Day 4 through 7, post on LinkedIn every day with a short video showing the workflow saving time and money for that specific industry. And DM 10 operations leaders in that vertical with the demo and a 15-minute call offer. Week 2, sell the $4,000 audit. Week 3, deliver. Week 4, upsell the build. That is the entire blueprint. Now the bonus daily life angle. This positioning lever works for any service, not just AI consulting. Tutors who niche down from Math Tutor to AP Calculus BC for Bay Area juniors triple their rates. Personal trainers who specialize in postpartum recovery for new moms triple their rates. The whole world rewards specialists and underpays generalists. If you're doing any service work right now, niche it ruthlessly this week and watch what happens to your inbound rate. Daily life hack of the day. Use ChatGPT or Claude to write your 3-line LinkedIn positioning headline today. Tell it your skill, your target industry, the outcome you produce, and ask for a 1-line headline that includes a specific number. Post that headline as your title. Most people stay generic for years. You can stop being generic in 15 minutes. The AI freelance gold rush is real, but the pickaxes are positioning, packaging, audits, and direct outreach. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. We drop AI Alpha every single day. See you tomorrow.